Namaskar. Hello to the one who is watching this video. In this video, I will be showcasing one item from my collection. So let's start. This is a 20th century bronze coin pertaining to the British India era, also known as British Raj. This coin was struck in the year 1917, the year in which Indian National Congress demanded self-government for India. Now coming to the coin, the denomination of this coin is 1/12th Anna, the lowest form of denomination which was in circulation during the British India era. Just beneath the denomination, the name of the country is mentioned, which is India, and beneath it, the year 1917 is mentioned, 1 year before World War I came to its conclusion. The design of this coin consists of a circle of beads and a wreath. On the back of it, there is a bust of King George V facing left, a crown bust, which in this case has worn out. The bust is surrounded by lettering George V King Emperor. This coin was minted during his tenure. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching it.